There you go. Hey, we're going to unplug this waffle maker, and right now at the edge you can see it's about 311 degrees, 348 degrees, and I want to see how long it takes for it to cool down. So we're going to set this timer. So we got the timer counting, and I'm just going to open this up. You can see there's some smoke coming off of it. Oops, just want to tip back too far. There we go. And now we can see with it unplugged how hot it is. It's 358 degrees in the middle, 361 degrees. And on the upper one in the middle, it's 371 degrees. So what I'd like to find out is how long does this take in room temperature. There we go. How long does it take in room temperature for this to cool down where we can safely put it away? Okay, we're at the 2-minute mark, and it's cooled down to 305 degrees. Here we are at 3 minutes, and it's cooled down to 276 degrees. Okay, at 4 minutes, we're at about 279. Up 255, they're in the middle. At 5 minutes, we're at 240 degrees. 6 minutes, 222 degrees. 7 minutes, 207 degrees. 8 minutes, and 201. 10 minutes, 179 degrees, 180. 11 minutes, 170 degrees. 12 minutes, 166 degrees. 13 minutes, and 159 degrees. 14 minutes, 152 degrees. 15 minutes, 145 degrees. And we're unplugging. It's okay. And we've unplugged this waffle maker, and this shows you how hot it is on the outside. And I want to time how long it takes to have this cool off. And we can see here that it's 280, looks like there we go, 364 degrees. And I want this to cool off rapidly. So what I'm going to do is I have this Ryobi fan, 18-volt fan, and it's got 2 speeds on it, low and high. It's also got a clamp. It has a full battery charge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this on high, because I want to cool this off rapidly so that I can put it away. So I'm going to start the timer here. There we go, it's counting up. Put this on high. And I've got it tilted at this with the lid open. And every minute I'm going to measure this. So here we are at about 15, 17 seconds. And I'm showing it at 358, 362 degrees or so. At about a minute, we're down to 324 degrees. And the reason why you can see it's cooler and hotter, it's hotter here on closer to the screen, is where the airflow is coming off. The airflow is aimed right here and not here. So I'm going to adjust this a little bit. 2 minutes. And we're at this side, we're at 265, 263. And on the other side where there's some more airflow, it's 234. And if we look up here, it's 230 degrees. Got about 3 minutes. Got 197 in the middle. It's definitely hotter at that one corner at 207. Up here, about 187 right in the middle. 4 minutes. It's down to about 170 in the middle. And up here at the top, 158. 5 minutes. And it's about 143, 149. And then on the upper one, 140. 6 minutes. And 135. 124. 7 minutes. And we're down to about 118. 111. 8 minutes. Down to about 105. Up here, 97 at the upper end, 103. 9 minutes. We got 98 degrees. And up here on the hottest spot, it's 96. So here we are at 9 minutes, and I feel like I could put this away. 10 minutes. Down to 93 degrees, and in the hottest spot right there, it's 94. And up here at the top in the hottest spot, it's 90. So this is cooled off in 10 minutes, where I can easily put my hand on here and put it away. I really like this Ryobi fan because it's got this clamp on here where I can clamp it to anything. I've got 2 speeds, and if I want the 2 speeds, I can use the high speed to cool something off rapidly like this, or I can go to slow speed if I want to dry the dishes in the dishwasher. I like the way this pivots, both up and down and left to right. And I like this clamp, because with this clamp, I can clamp it to stuff, such as this door. If I need to have air blowing down, the clamp is strong enough to hold this onto the door, and that way I can have air flowing down onto something, such as if I want to cool off some coffee or something. A very practical fan for kitchen use.